welcome to Mahita's Smart Education. Today in this video we are going to learn about standard values in templates. Standard values are like the default values for the templates and we can add and update these standard values to any template, and these values are common to all the items which are using the same template. And we are having one template with the field name as image and the logo image, and we have a link with single line text. Mm, Let us give the general link here. Yes, for the link we have given general link as the field, and okay, let's leave it because this template doesn't have any standard values. Now I am going to create one template and I will give this template some standard values so that you can see the difference between the template with standard values and without standard values. Okay, let's create one new template and name it as standard values. Okay, click on next, and we have to select the folder and click on next. Template has been created successfully. Close it, and then we'll have two templates in example folder. Now we can add some fields here, and let me add a header as the section name, and yes, same names we'll give. Logo image. For the logo image, let me select the field as image, and for logo text, or we can take a link because in the previous template we have taken a link, no? So, or general link, let's give and save this template. Yes, now we have saved it, and if you select any template, then we have one option in the extra option in the ribbon, sidecore ribbon, that is builder options. If you click on this builder option, then we have many options. In templates we have base template and standard values. We have to click on standard values and see the fields which we have given in this template will be there, and we have to select one image because this is the image field. And let me select for example this map. Okay, let's take this map as our logo image. Select it, and link, we have to insert one link here. Click on the insert link button, and we have to select one item. So in the content I'll select features. Okay, and we can give the description, anchor, and target customer, etc. And okay, click on insert, and then the path will be there in home features. Yes, let's save this, and let's insert this template in content folder in home page. Right click on the home page and insert from template. Let us select this template, standard values template, and let's see the difference between the template without standard values and with standard values. Okay, in example folder, let me show this, maximize this, and we have to select the standard values. Then the standard value branch path is there in the template path, and see here the item name, we can give standard values or new standard values or anything. We can give new name. I am giving just standard values as the name, then insert. Now see, standard values are added. This template is added to the home page. Now it became a page. Now you can see the what details we have given in the standard values will be reflected here. And see, we have another template, right? which doesn't have any standard values. New example for icons, and we have given logo image and link. See, they are empty because we doesn't have given any standard values, or we doesn't have added any standard values to this template, so that's why it is empty. And with for the standard values, we can update them by just clicking on the browse. We can select different values, and by just clicking on this insert link, we can update the another field value also if we want. And this is all about standard values. And if we are talking about standard values, and there are tokens are also there, and in my next video I'm going to explain about tokens. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mahita's Smart Education. Thank you. Thanks for watching.